Hey friends, if you wish to uninstall or reinstall widgets in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now the thing is that the procedure has changed. Now you cannot uninstall widgets and you cannot reinstall them through the Microsoft Store. Just for your confirmation, I have checked it all across the Microsoft Store. Windows Web Experience Pack, Windows Widgets, check any keyword that you want to. You will not find the widgets here. So here's the best that you can do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. You have the widgets switch here. You can see widgets here. Turn on the switch to uninstall widgets. I mean not uninstall, but to remove widgets, and turn the switch on to enable widgets. So you can disable and enable them. This is the best you can do right now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.